Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. I hope everyone is in a good health. I Yugi Sepuluyu from class 19 to 24. Would like to explain material about computer hardware. In this presentation, I will discuss important component and device in computer hardware. Without waiting any longer, I will start my presentation. Okay, next. Slide 1. What is hardware computer? Computer hardware is physical components which form an unified personal computer system. Usually these devices are assembled and mostly inserted into a computer casing and other are outside the casing. Any device or computer component that is visible to the naked eye and can be touched directly. In other words, physical equipment that is useful for performing input, output, and processing operation. The purpose of each computer system is to facilitate file and data management. Hardware can be divided into internal and external components. Internal components are hardware installed in the computer central processing unit and connected directly to the motherboard. External components, on the other hand, are hardware devices that connect to your computer through external ports on connection. Okay, let's move on the next slide. Function hardware. Some hardware function can be divided into several parts, namely 1. Data information processing, 2. Aspect input, 3. Provide output, and 4. Store data information. Okay, next. Data information processing. Processing data and executing process in computer system. The process that converts raw data into useful and easily expected information. Raw data is usually in the form of number or nodes that have no meaning to the user. So they require processing to convert them into useful information using certain techniques and methods. For example, CPU, RAM, VGA. Okay, next. Aspect input. Some hardware has special function to receive user input. The entered data is then converted into new information. The process of entering data or information into a system or computer program. Input is needed to collect the information needed to care about certain function in a system or computer program. Okay, next. Provide output. An output device is a device that can display processing result, data entry result, or comment on a computer. This output can be audio output, and other examples include monitor, speaker, and printers. A device component that is part personal computer. An output device is a device whose job is to display data that has been processed by the processor. Before the data was taken by an input device, the existence of an output device or output device is very important because it is included in the primary device for the operation of a personal computer. Okay, next, store data information. Every output signal generated by a computer can be stored on a computer's strong device such as hard drive and SSD. Data storing is the process of using computer device to store digital information. Storing data helps complete various digital tasks efficiently. Computer uses different types of memory, depending on how the system uses data. For example, devices rely on RAM for instant data storage and retrieval, while ROM helps store long-term data. Data storage process become completed quickly. For example, organization working with larger volumes of data require faster, bigger capacity strong device. Okay, next. Hardware example. In general, hardware types can be differentiated based on the functionality as provided. Next to this, we will find several devices differentiated by function or application. Okay, next. Example of hardware input device. Keyboard. It helps user enter symbol and number into the computer. It is in the form of a board and contains various letters, number, and symbol. Mouse. A type of hardware mouse function is to move the cursor on the computer screen. Apart from that, using mouse makes it easier for user to select any menu on their computer. And scanner. Use it to convert physical document, image, or photos into digital format. Scanner. Scissor can be used to read visual information from physical document and read them into digital data that can be processed by a computer. Touchpad. Commonly found in laptop and mobile. User can be finger movement to control the movement of the cursor on the screen and perform select function. And example of hardware process device. CPU, Central Processing Unit, is the brain of the computer that controls all work processor on the computer, be it from instruction process to producing the desired output. And RAM, Random Access Memory, is hardware on a computer that really determines the speed of computer access. It is used to store active data and run program while the computer is running. And VGA, Video Graphic Adapter, to process and manipulate graphics data was resolved and displayed on the computer screen. Okay. Next, example of hardware output device. Monitor. An important feature that every business must have to perform various tasks related to data and document. A function that have display to output or result of processor instruction. Its main function is to provide visualization. Printer can print all types of document. The printer can be printed in various sizes and qualities, including black and white or color prints. Speaker are used to produce sound or audio from a computer. And LCD projector, useful in displaying film and image easily on your computer LCD screen. With an LCD projector, you can display various presentations more clearly. Okay, next. Example of hardware strong device. Hard drive. A real TV large capacity used to store information and data on a computer. Apart from that, its function is to run computer operating system such as Windows, Mac OS, Unix, Linux, and the like. A USB flash drive function as a tool for storing computer data and has a USB port that makes it easy for you to connect it to a computer or other media that you use. Optical disc, a data carrier that can be written, read with a laser beam. Optical discs are available in the form of CD command disc or DVD digital reset discs. Okay, next. Additional device. Additional device verifiers are useful for helping the computer carry out user commands. The modem function. The modem function as a communication tool can be convert digital signal into analog signal and vice versa. A modem allows your computer to connect to the internet. Microphone. Generally used for audio input, the microphone can be convert analog audio to digital. And cameras. Cameras are included in the category of external hardware components. This device visually computer image. And conclusion. By understanding the meaning, function, and example of hardware, user can be better understand how computer works. Not only does it play an important role in computer performance, but it also determines the performance and the reliability of your system. As technology advances, understanding hardware becomes increasingly important to get the most out of your computer. Okay. That is everything I wanted to say about my presentation for today. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.